Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install the Autotune plugin in Audacity. Let's get started without wasting any time. As a first step, click on the Effects tab in the menu above and open Plugin Manager. Then, click the Get More Effects button. We'll download Gremlin 3 for free for Autotune, so click the Get It on MuseHub button next to Gremlin 3. Then open MuseHub by clicking the Install button. To download and install plugins from MuseHub, you need to register and log in. It's a quick and free process. Then click the Install button to start the installation. After the installation is complete, return to the Project Manager page and update your plugins by clicking the Reskin button. Otherwise, the plugin you installed will not be visible. You can close this page now. To use the plugin, first upload a sound to the timeline, then select the entire timeline by pressing the Ctrl and A keys. Then click on the Effects tab above and select Gremlin 3. After making the adjustments to your liking, you can preview the final result or apply it to your timeline by clicking the Apply button. I hope this guide video was informative and helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!